Mile Gully High School should have gotten us a new school plant even before I became Member of Parliament. And I've been Member of Parliament since 2012. And we are still promised that school plant. As Member of Parliament, I got 40 acres of land through Windalco for the new school plant that has been handed over to the government, to the Ministry of Education. I've been hearing for the last 7 years that the drawings and the engineering works have started. We have not heard anything. We have heard it announced in Parliament every budget year from the Minister of Finance or the Minister of Education, to correct myself, that the start of the Mile Gully High School. To be truthful, we are nowhere closer than we were last year or the year before. We are bursting at the seams. The Mile Gully High School is bursting at the seams. We cannot facilitate no more than 720 students. We are still with only 5 habitable classrooms. We had to abandon one building 2 years ago because of termite infestations and just the safety of our students. We had to build makeshift buildings. The staff room is leaking. The principals, the administrative block is just inadequate. And we're still pleading with the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Education to see how best we can start that new school plant. It is not because we just want a new school. It is because we just have a facility that is not conducive for the students and the staff at Mile Gully High School. This should have been a school that facilitates over 1,200 students. We can't facilitate no more than 720. And if we go to 730, we don't know where to put those additional students. So we're nowhere closer than where we were a few years ago. But we are expecting to hear something from the Ministry of Education. I have been told by the Permanent Secretary that they are far advanced in the drawings, but we don't want the engagement, we want the marriage now. We want the Mile Gully High School.